Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare two great ETFs, VTI with the IVV. I'm going to compare expense ratio, what kind of holdings they have. I'm going to give you the fund overlap, also backtest of how well they're performing. So let's say that we would start investing in 2015 and how well they both performed. Also, if you want to learn how you can make more money with ETFs, what are some great investment strategies, I created a course and you will find the course down below in the description. Now, really important to say is that if you have like any ETFs that you want me to compare, again, share it down below in the comments and I'll be really happy to do that. Now, without further ado, let's start. So VTI, IVV, what are some differences? Of course, Vanguard and BlackRock, who created the ETF, expense ratio 0.03 on both sides. Even the assets under management are similar, but again, IVV got it higher, 322 billion to 289 billion on VTI side. Then average daily volume is nearly 2.2 x more comparing to VTI, so IVV is winning in this department. And then we're gonna have the underlying index. On both, the underlying index are completely different because underlying index for IVV is SP 500. On the other hand, with the VTI, it's a total market. And then you see it also in number of holdings or diversification. 4,000 comparing to 508 for IVV. Now, when we scroll down below and we're gonna see further, I'm going to show you the performance soon of both, but at first I want to talk about holdings a little bit and then we will go further. You see for IVV, we have technology, consumer, financials, healthcare, and industrials. Combined, they are like nearly 90% or like 85%. And on VTI, we see technology, consumer, financials, healthcare, industrials. Literally really similar. But let's see when we look on the holdings. Even the holdings, you see they are very, very similar. Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Meta Platforms, Alphabet, on both, Nvidia Corporation, JP Morgan, Berkshire. So all of these are damn similar. But let's look on the fund overlap and then we will go to the performance. So when we look on the fund overlap, we see that 99.6 of IVV 505 holdings are also in VTI. And only 13.6% of VTI 4,000 holdings are also in IVV. And you can see this is overlap by weight. You can clearly see that 82% they are similar. Damn similar. Then you see also like Microsoft, Apple, Amazon. When I go top 25 entries, all of these are Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Tesla, Facebook, Nvidia. As you can see, they're all overlapping because 99.6 of IVV 505 holdings are also in VTI. But let's see the backtest and then we will go also to dividend yield. So we're gonna have $10,000. Let's say we start investing in 2015. Initial amount $10K, $20, and we are going to invest monthly, and it's going to get adjusted by inflation, and we are going to reinvest the dividends. Okay. Now we go IVV versus VTI like this, right? Right. And then analyze portfolios. So what is happening? Look at this. We see that portfolio IVV was only by $200, nearly 200, 100, what is that? By $169 was better comparing to the VTI. So you see that the differences are not that huge here. Sometimes the one was overperforming the another. And now when we check the dividend yield here and we go with VTI and then we're gonna go with IVV, we can clearly see that, look at this, 1.42, 1.57, 1.78 to 2.12. So you see the IVV was performing better when we look on a year on a dividend yield. 1.75 2017, 1.71 2018, 2.21, 2.04. So as you can see, the VTI was underperforming IVV. So that's really important to say. And that's pretty much it. So to summarize this whole video, what we learned, what can be the strategy? There are both good ETFs that you can invest to. Now it really depends if you like the other stocks in VTI, but as I mentioned, they're overlapping hard. The dividend yield is a little bit better on the IVV side. I would definitely choose the one which give you the broker for free. But from my perspective, like IVV is a good choice, VTI is a good choice. Choose which one you want. I don't really have opinion on both because they're like, I want to say safe bets, but they're like fine. The one thing they like more about IVV, not only the dividend yield, but also they got higher assets under management and higher average daily volume. But again, maybe you like that VTI is covering the small, medium cap stocks. And yeah, but as you can see, when we look on the final balance, when you look on the fund overlap, it is what it is. So let me down below in comments, guys, your thoughts on both of these. Definitely check the course down below on how we can make money with ETFs. You will like it. And yeah, have a great day, guys, and goodbye. See ya.